Welcome to another webinar from the Product Management View webinar series. Our presenter today is Rich Mironov with Entheosis, and he'll be giving the presentation, Grocers and Chefs, Service Model Thinking for Product Model Folks. I'm Chelsea Woodhead from Rima Technologies, one of the sponsors of this webinar series, and I'll be your moderator. Rich is a software product strategist and veteran of 4 high-tech startups. He is considered one of the preeminent experts on software product management and marketing. He joined Entheosis in July of 2007 and heads its marketing and business development activities, as well as leading client engagements. Rich started his technology career as a software engineer at Hewlett-Packard. He managed networking products for 6 years at Tandem Computers, then joined Sybase to oversee software run on more than 40 operating systems. While there, Rich created Sybase's Internet Products Group, whose Web SQL product was the first commercial solution for dynamic linking of web pages with databases. His Silicon Valley startups include Wayfarer Communications, iPath, Slam Dunk Networks, and Air Magnet. Author of the popular newsletter on technology product strategy, Product Bites, Rich is a highly sought-after speaker and writer on technology and technology product strategy. He is on the faculty of the Executive Development Center at the University of California, Berkeley's Haas School of Business, and a peer reviewer for the California Management Review. In addition, he serves as VP of Marketing for the Northern California Product Development and Management Association, the NorCal PDMA. Rich has an MBA from Stanford University and a BS degree in physics from Yale University with a thesis on dinosaur extinction theories. With no further ado, I would like to introduce Rich Mironov. Take it away, Rich.
Great. Thank you so much, Chelsea. And I appreciate the opportunity to address the group and do a webinar this morning. On the East Coast, here it is this morning. And wanted to wrestle with an issue that really is one that we come across here pretty often at Entheosis in our consulting basis, which is folks who are product managers and have spent their careers really working on packaged software or software for license. They're trying to think through the problem of creating software as a service. We've recast this a little bit in a slightly more humorous light to make it more memorable. So the talk this morning is called Grocers and Chefs, Service Model Thinking for Product Model Folks. Just a little bit about me. As some of you may know, I call myself an unapologetic product guy because I've been in product management a very long time. Chelsea's really covered this, but just briefly, I'm the Chief Marketing Officer at Entheosis, which is a product management consulting firm, and our 4 key services are around customer needs assessment, something we call innovation games, creating roadmaps, market-driven roadmaps for our software customers, and a lot of work around business models and pricing strategy. That's really my core work, as well as a fair amount of interim executive work and agile consulting. Often what we do is we put someone in as an interim product management executive to help them spin up their company. As Chelsea suggested, I've done a lot of brand name work here and have been a repeat offender at some startups. Means I have some bruises that I'm happy to share with other people. The other thing that I do that folks are welcome to look in on is something I call my Product Bites newsletter. It's really a thought piece on technology and organizations and product strategy. Since early 2002, you see some titles here, probably an upcoming book that you'll see titled Parenting and the Art of Product Management, which wraps up a variety of these pieces. Excuse me. And there's the address for it. So enough about me. Let's see if we can get into our topic for the morning, which I call service model thinking. Again, really rooted in the idea that many of us, including myself, have come up through the product management ranks thinking of ourselves as product managers, where a product manager is somebody who works on a product that is sold or licensed or handed over to the customer, where the customer really then makes do with that product. A major shift we've seen over the last half-decade as services, particularly for the corporate market, move from packaged or licensed software to hosted services. We did see this first in the consumer and online space. Certainly folks like Yahoo and Google have led the way in moving things on the consumer side, where consumers no longer really need software on their side other than a browser. So they've been pioneers here, with the enterprise folks really coming up second. The